What's up, guys? Hi everyone, good day! Today, we'll be reacting to another 4th Impact song entitled Clean Bandit or Xelaverse on Symphony / It Ain't My Fault. I think this is a mashup of 2 songs and this is my first time to hear the song. Let's see what they can do now. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
I've been hearing symphonies before all the hurt was silence. A rhapsody for you and me, and every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along, then you came and you cut me loose. We're solo singing on my own. Now I can find the key without you, and now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you won't go through, I just wanna be part of that symphony. But hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, and I'm so under radio. Hold me tight and not let go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. For all the covers they have done, this is the most great, most good, most beautiful, most yeah, most of the most. I like this video. The voices of Point Impact is very amazing, and you can see the real beauty of the voices when they sing this kind of song. Like if they sing ballad, they will show their vocal power. If they sing R&B and danceable song, they will show the versatility of the song, and I really love it. This is what I love with Point Impact, where whatever category they put in, whatever genre of the song they'll give them, they will slay it. And look, 2 songs in 1 cover, very nice. I love this. I love this. And if you have more Point Impact video you want me to react, just drop a comment down below. And if you like this video if you like this video, please give me a massive thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button, and the bell button beside the subscribe button for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.